then painting machine will go to inside the oven machine, and then oven the lacquer. So now we can see the products come out from here has been put the transparent lacquer on the surface and have been oven already. It's very hot. So worker take it out, and you can see this worker will take some color out and put here, because here have a different color. Look at this one. This one is dark green, and it's the light gold. See, all these are dark green with light gold. So they do the dark green, some color come to there, and some worker they get them from there, and some worker take it out from here in order to they can do the job quickly. So we can see from here. Okay, you see the color very nice. Okay, now let's go to see different color. Look at this one is the gun metal. Okay, this is the gun metal, gun color. You see, it's gun metal. Okay, and this one is the rose color. And now let's see another color. This is also rose color for slider. And this is for dark green. So you can see for dark green, it's light gold. This is for dark green. And now let me take you to see this workshop. You see some lady is doing the packing there. Okay, they are doing the packing. And then let's see another color. For example, this one is the flinical. This is the flinical color. They pick up already. So you see, it's very shining. And see here, this is also flinical. And this is the rose gold. And this is the yellow gold, shining gold. So now let's see here. This is the rose color already also. And they are packing here by the way. Okay. And we can see from here they are doing the packing. So you can see this lady, they will sign how many pieces, and then they will pack it. By this packing, it's that by this packing, it can be kept more long time. So we can see it's a very shining. The product result is very good. Of course, if you want to do the good quality, you should do the very good polishing before hanging plating. So for hanging plating, before hanging plating, you can do the baler. You can do the baler polishing, and also you can do the hand polishing. I mean the back fin polishing. So for these details, we have another video for your reference. Okay.